Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we will be working up with if we want to build a hotel booking thing. Okay, so then how we want it to be. So first of all, what we have to do is that we need to add a new product. Okay, and then we have to work with it. So first of all, we have to enter the hotel booking name. So let's suppose that this is the hotel name. So this is Boo Kala Hotel. Okay, and so let's suppose that this is the hotel name, and I want to just go ahead and I want to assign the product image. So product image is going to be, let's just go ahead and let's add any image. So I'm just gonna add let's add this one. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit set product image. So I'm just clicking it, you can see it will be here, and everything is here. So this is like Boo Kala Hotel. Okay, and we have the category, so we can add any category like hotels or something like that. Okay, but we don't want to add any of the category here. I just want to come here and I want to select like bookable product. Okay, and since this is the virtual product, okay, that is why I have to select that this is the virtual product. Okay, and on one single room we want to assign this to a maximum person, like only 4 maximum person can live in a room. If they go beyond that, we don't allow it. So our policy doesn't allow it, so we can just add it like it has persons. Okay, there would be some for child we would charge him more. Oh, sorry, for adults we will charge him more, and for child we will charge him like less. Okay, so we will be giving the pricing on the basis of the person. Okay, we will not be charging on the basis of the blocks, we will not be charging on the basis of the rooms he types. We will charge extra for different type of resources that he adds. Okay, but we will be charging basically on the person basis, like how many adults they have and then how many children they have. Okay, and then we have to work with the has resources, so you can be like a basic bedroom, or for like normal bedroom, or for like a business room or a luxury room or something like that. So I'm just gonna check this as well. I'm sorry. So now here we have this one right here. So this is going to be on the daily basis, like on days basis, and then we have the fixed blocks. Now the customer can define how many times, how many blocks you want. So this is right here, and booking duration is going to be like on 1 day basis. The minimum duration is going to be like the minimum duration is going to be like 1, and the maximum duration is going to be 30 days, or I think so. How many time a family stays in a hotel? I would say 15. If they want to just stay in like 30 days, they would just buy a room, they would just rent a room. So I think 15 days maximum, they do not go beyond that. But if you want it to be like 30 days, you can just go choose that, but no one chooses this, so let's just assume that this is 30. So then we have enable calendar range picker. Let the user select a start and the date on the calendar. Okay, start and end date on the calendar. Duration will be calculated automatically. What this means is that if I just select this, okay, and then I just come here and I just publish it right now, okay, and let's just open this product up in a new tab. So let me show you, then you will see that once I open up the product, then you will see that I can select a start date and then I can select an end date. So if I just select 22 right now, okay, and then I can select an end date right here. So I'm just gonna select here like 3. So it's gonna be like from 22 to 3 is booked. Okay, but I have to select the type. That is why the pricing is not coming. So we will be working up with that in the price, the type later on when we will move forward. Okay, so we are charging him from like he has to select the first to clear a selection, pick a new date. So if we just select it like he needs it from 2 to choose an end date. So my end date is going to be 23. So his booking will be from 22nd to 23rd. He can just select it from 22nd to 22nd. Okay, so this is for just one single day. So this is how it works. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go down, and this is what I can say, that enable calendar range picker, that customer can select his own start day and the end day. Obviously you guys should select it, because you cannot assume this, that the person will stay on that day or in that day. So customer should have to select his own start date. So if he just selected like 29th, then it will be 22nd from 29th, and if he select 27th, and it will be like 27th to 30th. So these are the dates that he is booking right now. So this is how this range will work. Okay, make sure that you guys go ahead, you just guys create it like this, and then you publish your product, and then just play around with it so then you will understand it easily. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna come here, and here it says enable calendar pick rate. Okay, and then we have calendar display mode. This should be always visible. You guys already know about this, so I don't want to explain it, but do not check this if you want my opinion. Okay, and then we have the person. So in the person, it says minimum person or the maximum person. So minimum person should be obviously one. Like there should be a one single person staying in our room. Okay, and then we have the maximum person. Maximum person means like how many person can stay in this specific hotel room. Okay, so the maximum person can stay 5 maximum person, or I think 3 maximum person, and that's all. Okay, and then we have the multiply all cost by person count. So this means that if we just select it, then all the cost that we have for one single room, then that will be worked as like it will multiply on the basis of person. So you can select it, okay, if you want to, but let's just go ahead and let's select it. Okay, multiply all costs by person count. Count person as booking, I'll tell you later on, and enable the person types. Let's just come here and let's just uncheck this resources tab. Okay, we will be understanding this later on, but first let's just work with the person so that there is no confusion that you guys face. Okay, and then we're gonna come here to block cost, and a block cost is going to be like $50. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit update. So on clicking this update, let's go ahead and let's just refresh this page so you can see what we have selected. Let me show you. First of all, we have to select a start date and an end date. So per room is basically 100. So we have chosen 2 rooms, okay? And then we have the booking cost. So my booking cost is like $100. If I just come here and I just increase it, you can see that I have 2 persons. That is why the booking cost is basically $200. If I just select it to be like 3 person, the booking cost will be $300 because I've chosen 2 rooms. If I just come here and I just select this one single room, okay, then the booking cost is going to be like only $150, okay, because I'm just charging for one single room and it has the person. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna go with 333. Okay, so this is just costing them. But if we need like a children and an adult category in here, so that for person, like for adult, we'll charge them $15, and for children we want to charge them like $25. How can we do that? Okay, or for like $15 or $10 or free. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna go down here, and now here I have to just come here to the persons. So here in the cost, we don't have to mention anything because we will be charging on the person type. If we just check this on, then we have to remove the cost from here. Okay, I will show you why I mean this. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and I'm not gonna multiply all cost by the person count. Okay, I'm not gonna multiply because I'm charging on the person type. I'm not charging on the cost type. Since we have 2 costs, that is why. I'm just gonna come here and I'm just gonna remove it and make sure that you don't check this one. Okay, and then we have the enable person types. Okay, I just come here and I just want to add a person type. So I just want 2 person type basically. I'm just gonna add it one more. So you can see I have person type 0 and person type 1. So person type 0 is going to be adult. So if it's an adult, then we'll charge him $50. Okay, $50 will be per block cost. Okay, and if that guy is basically a child, then we will charge him $25. Okay, and if that guy is infant, like from 1 to 2 year, from like newborn baby to 2 years, okay, infant, then we'll charge him like $10. So now we have to give the description. So in here we can write here 18 plus people. Okay, and in here I want to add from 2 to 17 years age old people. Okay, so you can just describe it how you want it to be. Okay, and then we have the infant. So infant mean newborn to 2 years. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit update right now. So you can see that we are charging them on the basis of this person type only. Okay, we're not charging them on the cost. Okay, the cost is 0 by default. Okay, the person is increasing, the price will increase, the cost will be same. Okay, let's come here and let's just refresh this page. Now you can see here it says adult, so we have 18 plus people, so you can restrict 18 plus and from 2 years to this and newborn to 2 years. So for adults, so let's suppose that I have one single adult, okay, and the child that are staying in my home. Let's suppose that I have just one adult and I'm just staying in the room. So I just select the first date. So my first date is 23rd, okay, and my second date is also 23rd. I just want to book the room for just single day. Then this is charging me for just like $50. The reason is that if we just go to person and then we go to adult, then you can see that if adult is set to 1, then we have the block cost per block cost. This is the per block cost. This is set to 1. This is why this is charging me $50. If I just increase it, and if I just take it 2, you can see it will charge me double because this is charging me 2 block cost. Okay, let's just come here and let's just make it 1 single. Okay, and if I just increase the adult, then you can see 2 adults are here and single blocks. So 2 adults, the cost is being multiplied. Okay, and if the child is increased, okay, if there is only one single child who is from 2 to 17 years, then we'll charge him $25. Okay, and if there is an infant, okay, who's just coming to stay in our hotel, you can see infant cannot come itself, okay, then we will charge him $10. But since only adult will also be coming from him, that is why we'll select adult. So you can see it will cost like infant plus adult, and then it is giving the total amount. So this is how it works basically, guys. We don't have any of the child right here with us. So this is how it works. Now what I'm gonna do right now, if I just add the block cost here as well, it should be 0, guys. I'm telling you why you need to enter it 0. If you enter the block cost here as well, 50, okay, and then you just come here and then you just hit update, and on just refreshing, you will see that there is a room booking. Basically, the room cost $50, and if there is an infant, then we will just add him in here. So this is just I don't think so if it is good for you. So you have to select the adult, and the adult will be added into here, and the guy select this race, and you can see this is costing him just $100. The reason is that the base price is this, okay, this is the block cost, and also the adult cost is also being added. Why, man? Why? We just want to charge them on the basis of the people, those who are trying to stay in the hotel. So we want to charge them on that. So I'm just going to go ahead, and if you don't want to charge them on the basis of the people, those who want to stay in, okay, if you want to charge them on the basis of just a single room, so if you are just buying our single room, okay, then you have to pay only $50 for one single night. We don't care about this, we don't care about this, we don't care about this, but we want to know that how many people are staying. Okay, then if this is the condition, then you have to come here, and you have to come here, and you have to just select this. Okay, you have to go down, you have to come here, and you have to remove it, and you have to come here, and you have to remove it. So you can see that maximum person are allowed 3. Then I come here and I just hit update. This is also the policy of some of the hotels. Like, you just book a room, okay, and then you have to pay for a room. They don't care about that how many people are staying in here. They just care about the room, okay. So if I just increase the adult, like 3 adults are coming in here, okay, and I wanted to charge them like this one, so they will just charge $50. This is just for a single room that you are buying. Okay, this is what I mean, guys. Okay, and now let's come here, and let's come here to the person. So if we just select multiply all cost by person, then it will be multiplied to 3. Okay, and if we selected this count person as booking, enable this count to each person as a booking unit, the max booking per count, this will be applied to that. If we select 3, then there will be 3 bookings counted. Like, only one single people can stay in our room. So if I just come here and I just refresh it, you can see I just added like 3. And then I just come here and I just select this and I just enter this. there is a maximum of one place remaining on December this. So you can see it is just showing an error because we have in the availability, okay, we have said that maximum booking per day is set to 1. If I just come here and I just increase it to 3, the 3 bookings can be done on this. So if we just select it like 3 adults, 3 person, then you can see that the booking will be based separately for them. So if I just come here and I just select it and I just select it again, then you can see the booking cost is this. But the booking separate booking, 3 bookings are being done here. So I have to multiply the cost if I am choosing this one, because there are 3 bookings being done here that everybody will be given a separate room if we need this type of functionality in this specific form. Okay, so I hope that you don't have any of the confusion here. Let me explain you guys. Okay, so we have chosen that count person as booking. How many person they have, that will be counted as booking. So for booking, the booking means the room. Since we are giving Jim just single room for 1 person. If there are 2 person, then we are giving him 2 rooms. So we have to multiply the cost because we are giving them 2 rooms. Okay, and then I just come here and I just refresh and I just hit update. Okay, let's come here and let's just refresh this. So you can see on increasing this, I want to come here and I want to select this and I want to select this. So you can see booking cost is this. I just come here, I just hit book now and it is right here. I'm just going to come here and in the view card you can see adult 3. And every adult will be given a specific room. Okay, so this will be deducted from our availability things that we are giving only 3 block per max booking per block. Like we have 3 rooms, then we want 3 people to just come into our hotel on a single day. Okay, we cannot go beyond that. So everybody is filled and no one can extra come into here. This is what I mean. I hope I'm clear to you guys. You can just come here, you can just bring your mouse here, you can just read it here, and then I hope it will be clear to you. But I will be going up with, and mostly hotels do have the policy that they charge them on this one. Okay, they don't charge the cost. Okay, we come here to the person, we come here to this, then they charge them for adults. So if it is like a plain booking, okay, then you want it to be like count person as booking. Okay, so then you want it to be like count person as booking, that if a guy is coming in here, then you want to charge them as a booking. So a person can just come here and then the block cost will be like this. So we will be creating a new product for that plane. Okay, but first we want to go with this one. Okay, I want to come here and I want the type to be let's come here and let's go to the cost, and we are charging them for just $100 per single room, whether they are a child, whether they are whatever, or we don't care. Okay, we just want to charge them about the single room, and in one single room they are given 3 max person. Okay, they cannot go beyond that. Then we have the cost. So the cost is selected on this. Okay, and then we have the link products. So we don't want to link any product. You guys already know about this upsells and cross sells. And then we have the availability. Okay, so we have, since we have 3 rooms, we are just selecting 3 rooms, but we have 100 rooms, let's suppose. Okay, let's just check it to be like 1. We have just only 1 single room so that we can also test it. Okay, and minimum block booking, this should be 1. Okay, and this should be like 6 months. So a person can book anything, book our room 6 months before. Okay, he cannot go beyond that. Okay, and then we have all dates are available by default. Okay, we don't want to add any range. So we don't want to add any range. Obviously, this is a hotel and everything should be available. Okay, so then we have the restrict days. We don't want to restrict these dates. Okay, so I'm just going to come here and I'm going to go to cost right now. And I'm going to remove this because I don't want to charge them on the basis of that. And then I have the availability. Okay, this means that max booking per block. This is like how many block you want it to be. So availability will be like set to 30, since I have 30. Or if we just want to check this one, the minimum block bookable, and you guys already know about it. So now what we want to do is that we have to just switch this resources tab on. Okay, so in the resources, how we want the type. So the type will be room type. I'm just going to enter room type, and the resources will be customer selected or the automatically assigned. So I'm just going to select that customer can select it, and add link resource. So this will be basic room. Okay, I'm just going to hit enter. I'm going to hit add link resource, and this will be luxury room or pro room. And then this will be business room. Okay, and so let's just go ahead and let's hit OK. So this is right here. Okay, and then here I want the basic room to cost like nothing. So the basic room will cost you only the price of the room, only the price of the room that you pay. If you are looking for pro room, then pro room will cost you extra. I'm talking about the extra. Like if you are charging basic room for like $100, which is this already here. Okay, then for pro room we want to charge them on the basis of like 100 more. So we will charge him $200 for pro rooms. Okay, and if he wants that business room where there would be like a round table with so many things and also a lobby will be given to him and so much stuff, then we'll charge him like $1,000 for one single day. Okay, so this will be the business room. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna update this right now. So on clicking the update, let's just view the product and you're gonna see how amazing it's gonna look. This is how it is. It says Bucala Hotel. It says from $100. Okay, and then it says adult, child, this. Okay, so we can also change it to be like person because we don't want to get any of the thing. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna make it like this, and the persons can be 28, 29, 30. Okay, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit update right now. So now let's come here and let's just refresh this. So you can see it's just gonna ask for person, how many persons we want. And then it's going to ask for the room type. So I just want it to be like basic room. Basic room will cost him only $100. Okay. And the pro room will cost him like $100 more. So if you just select 23 and the end date is also 23, then it will cost him $100 more. Okay. So this is how the pro room works. If he select basic room, then basic room will be like basic. He just has to pay $100 and that's all. But if we go for like a business room, then it will cost him like $1,000 more, and it's gonna cost him like $1,100. So this is how it basically works. Okay, so now here, if you want to just charge them on the basis of the room they select, like if you want to charge them, if you want to edit the resource, like how many rooms you have for business, for how many pro room you have, how many basic room you have, then what you have to do, you have to just come here to the basic room and you have to hit edit resource, and this will be like the quantity of this source available at any given time. This means that if someone is going to buy this business room, then what will be the range and what will be the quantity. So if we select like we have just 3 business room, okay, and then we just come here and we just hit update. Okay, and then we come here and we refresh this. So then this will be like for 3 business room. Okay, only 3 times this room can be booked. Okay, like we just have 3. If someone comes and buy it for just one more, this will be visible, and if someone comes and buy it for the second time, this won't be visible. Let me just show you. If I just come here and I just hit 2, or I just hit 1, okay, and now let's hit update. Let's come here. Let's just refresh this, and you can see that we have only 1 business room. So business room can be bought only one time by a specific date. So if I just come here and I just purchase this business room, okay, and then I just go ahead and I just hit book now. But let's come here and let's make the change here. I'm just going to go to availability and I'm going to choose it to be like 2. So we have max booking is set to 300. But if you just buy our business room, then for business room, we just have only 1 single business room and that's all. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to go to the quantity, the view right here. And this is set to like business room. It says 6 days. Okay, and so let's suppose that I am buying the business room. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to hit proceed to checkout right now. And now here I have to just buy it. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to hit place order. The order is going to be placed, and you can see that I've purchased this right now. And if I just come here and I just see it, like view my bookings, then you can see this is the Buka Hotel. This is right here. And if I just come here and then I try to book this room again, okay, we have 30 available, guys. If I just come here and I just try to book it, okay, this is right here. But if I just come here and I just select this business room, you can see this business room cannot be selected because we have just this room is one single available. Okay, this is what I mean. So obviously business room is just so big room, okay, with a lot of tables and a lot of things that people hire, that people buy. So since this is already booked, we cannot have so many business room. So this is what they mean. Okay, so now you can see that this is how it works, and I hope that you can understand it pretty well, that how everything works. You can add a range as well, like there would be a date range, and it would be like bookable or not bookable. So you can also add the range, like if you want to be like Sunday, on Sunday the business is off, so we want that the room will not be bookable. So on Sunday the room cannot be bookable. So this is how you can work, this is how you can manage everything, and this is how you can apply these resources ranges. Okay, so this is how it works. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to just go to the products, and then all products, and let's edit our product. This is our product. Okay, so now you can see that this is how the resources work. You can charge them on the basis of resources, you can charge them on the basis of cost, you can charge them on the basis of person, and you can charge them basis of the resources. So everything you can charge them on the basis of anything. So this will be so confusing, guys. Seriously, this will be so confusing. What you have to do, you have to just install this plugin and then apply to it, then mess around with it, then do these type of things. Okay, and then you will understand it easily. When I just first started this plugin, I just was like, oh my god, what this is. Seriously, guys, this happens. So if this is happening, it is totally okay. This is normal, guys. This is normal. It will happen, so do not worry. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys, for watching this, and in the next video we will be working up with the plane booking, hotel or flight booking. So in the next video we'll be doing that, so stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.